Look at her.
You.
I think I'll take the car today, babes.
You don't say. I have never, ever seen weather this bad.
Wow.